Welcome back to Exoticplay, your top destination for the latest in automotive reviews, features, and news. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kia K8 Facelift, a car that has caught the attention of many with its upgraded design, tech, and performance enhancements. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Kia K8 Facelift features a bolder front grille, which now has a more aggressive design. The new LED headlights are sleek, giving the car a modern look that stands out on the road. The side profile remains smooth and aerodynamic, with refined body lines, while the rear gets a fresh update with new LED taillights stretching across the trunk, giving the car a wider stance and a more premium feel. Overall, Kia has done a great job balancing elegance and sportiness in this facelift. Performance-wise, the 2025 K8 continues to impress with its engine options. The popular 3.5-liter V6 engine is still available, delivering smooth power at around 300 horsepower. For those looking for something more efficient, there's also a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that balances power and fuel economy. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a seamless and comfortable drive. The K8 offers responsive handling, adaptive suspension, and a quiet cabin, making it an excellent choice for both city driving and longer highway journeys. Inside, the 2025 Kia K8 steps up in terms of luxury and technology. The cabin now boasts premium materials like leather, wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces. One of the standout updates is the fully digital instrument cluster, which is paired with an upgraded 12.3-inch infotainment screen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected. The seating remains spacious, offering plenty of legroom and comfort, especially for longer trips. Safety features are also abundant, with the latest driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. If you're looking for a sedan that blends style, tech, and performance, the 2025 Kia K8 Facelift might just be the perfect choice. Make sure to subscribe to Exoticplay for more in-depth car reviews, latest features, and all things automotive. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.